Now, on the software side, things aren't very complicated. We're obviously running a Raspberry Pi with Windows 10 IoT, which is essentially what we started to do was create an Azure IoT Hub, which essentially is a starting point in the cloud that allows us to send messages up to it, and that IoT Hub can also send messages out. So it's kind of our focal point where we can have a number of applications sending messages back and forth in real time to one another. It runs a C# and XAML application with a small gauge, different activity in the area. We can collect this data in real time with sensors attached to it, which can then be sent out via Wi-Fi on the Raspberry Pi to the IoT Hub. Now, with these sensors, we can collect a number of data points, things such as temperature, moisture, sound, vibrations, and send them all up to the IoT Hub. In real time, I can read all that information and have it sent back down to a console app or some kind of dashboard such as Power BI where I can visualize all this data. Even better, if I don't want to do anything or manipulate the data right away, I can store it in something such as Azure Data Lake and then manipulate and view the data later on. I can apply things such as machine learning on it to better understand what it is that we're currently recording too. Additionally, if there's some sort of messaging that I need to get to Amanda or the device, we have a console app created that allows us to run on Windows 10, and I can just send simple commands to the device, and the device will then parse these commands and change pages and things of that nature. So even if Amanda or someone with this device isn't there, we can leave it in a room and operate it remotely to see what data is happening in real time, switch between pages, and activate different sensors. Both the hardware and the software for this project are open source and freely available on our GitHub account. If you decide to go after some paranormal activity on your own and use some of this software or hardware, let us know. We'd love to hear your story too.